when I arrived here, I arrived with some fears, not really sure about immigrate to a new country, speak other language that it's not my first language. But at the end, now I'm really happy. I'm really proud of myself. I did it. I'm so happy, and I think Greystone College changed totally my life. I'm doing my co-op in my creative break. It's a company that is focused to organize networking events. I need to help organizing the networking events, a little bit of social media content, and also looking for information about our possible clients, I mean some companies. It's a co-op that is remote, so that's good because I can manage my time. I really like that part of the co-op. It's not necessary that I call to the clients, but yes, I need to keep in touch with them by emails. One of the things that I really like that I'm studying here in Greystone, they are really focused in different areas. For example, hotels, retails, a restaurant sector. So it doesn't matter if you are doing your co-op in different areas. They really help you to deal with difficult situations. Those kind of things that I'm learning in my classes, I'm applying that in my co-op. I'm so happy now that I'm graduating. And my next step, my next goal is to come back to my country in Mexico, continue working in the customer service sector. Now I'm feeling more confident, more comfortable because I have this new knowledge, new experience, and yes, looking for a new job.